Today's video, we're going to be talking about one of the most common issues with TikTok ads. So in this video, we're going to be covering why your TikTok ads are not spending and the best practices to avoid this common issue. So if that's something you guys want to see, make sure you watch this video till the very end. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. So before we get started, as always, join the free Telegram group chat down below if you haven't already. We're going to be moving over to Discord soon, and we're going to be doing live Q&As each and every single week. So just join the Telegram group chat so you guys get updated right when I drop this group, and you guys can get in on these live calls. And you can also interact with like-minded individuals, but if that's not something you want to do, there's also a link to book a free one-on-one consulting call. So make sure you guys take advantage of the free sauce. But if not, let's move on to the first most common reason why your TikTok ads are not spending. So 90% of the time that I hop on calls with some of you guys, your TikTok ads aren't spending, and the main reason why is because you're setting a cost cap and you're limiting your ad spend. So as you guys probably know, TikTok used to obligate you to use cost caps. Now there's actually a lowest cost option. So I would try using the lowest cost option right off the bat. But if you do want to try using cost caps, make sure you monitor your ads pretty much throughout the whole day, just because they might not spend at all. So what I would do, if your cost caps aren't spending, keep pushing the budget up by about 20% every maybe hour or 2 hours if your ads are not spending. But from my experience, most of the time cost caps just don't end up spending off the bat for me. I always go straight ahead and start using the lowest cost option, but just try running your ads on more of a conservative budget. I actually have the link to my TikTok launch ad strategy on my channel, so just check it out on the channel if you want to see that, just to know exactly how I launch my ads using this lowest cost strategy. Now, moving into the second reason why your TikTok ads are not spending is sometimes simply off the bat, the algorithm just doesn't know where to allocate budget. So there's actually kind of two variations of this problem. So either TikTok is going to blow your budget straight out the gate, right off the bat as they launch at midnight. By the time you wake up in the morning, your ad budget might be gone, or it's just not gonna spend at all. So one reason could be either your product price is too high. So what this means is that using this lowest cost feature, TikTok's ads do not think that they can get you optimal results based on your product's price. So in that case, what I would do is just push the budget on your ad groups and maybe just reduce the amount of ad groups that you're testing, or just test one broad ad group with a higher budget. Just because, like I said, if you're gonna run a higher ticket product and you have like $100 margin, $50, even maybe a $50 margin, $60, $70 margin, whatever it is, if it's on the higher end, this lowest cost option might not be able to get you results for whatever you set your budget to. So if your target cost per purchase is maybe, like I was saying, under $50, maybe just go ahead and set your ad groups at $40, because it's quite possible that TikTok's gonna be able to get you results for this. But try to base your budget around whatever your target CPA is, because at $20 with a $50 or $60 target CPA, your ads are gonna have to run for 3 days. And within this first day, it might not be able to hit a $20 CPA or less, right? So as I was saying, just push your budget. And if you're running into issue number B, where your ads are just blowing budget straight out the gate, what I would do is go ahead and just launch day parting. So what this does is it tells TikTok exactly where to allocate budget throughout the day. So maybe just try to run your ads between 11 and 12, and then from maybe 3 or 4 o'clock all the way up until midnight, 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. Test different variations of this, but most purchases are made after 3 o'clock when people get home from school and people are starting to get home from work. So that's definitely a good option to test if your ads are just blowing budget straight out the gate. I can probably go ahead and make another video on this just to give you guys a little bit more detail on how to avoid your ads blowing budget straight out the gate. So if that's something you want to see, leave a comment down below in the description letting me know that you want to see that, because you might be struggling with this issue or you have suffered from it in the past. So yeah, just go ahead and leave that down below in the comment section. Now, moving on to the third and final reason why your TikTok ads are not spending is simply just because of your creative. So a lot of times, if your creatives don't fit TikTok's dimensions properly and are just like in the center of the frame, TikTok doesn't like seeing that. So that will result in a lot higher CPMs, which could possibly just result in your ads not spending whatsoever. So that could be one option in terms of the creative. Or if they don't think that users are gonna have a good experience from seeing it, they're simply just not gonna rent you out that ad space because they're just wasting space on their platform by putting a garbage creative, shitty creative on their platform. So definitely, if that's a problem you guys are seeing, maybe try testing different creatives. As I always say, test 3 creatives off the bat. So this is gonna allow TikTok to diversify your budget and spend solely on the ad creative that they see having the optimal performance and getting the best kickback from in terms of users on their platform. Now, if you're launching 3 ads, you're gonna notice that only 1 ad out of those 3 ads are gonna get most of the budget. So maybe on the first day, each ad might get a split of the budget. 1 ad creative is gonna get like 99% of the budget, and then optimizing throughout day 2 and day 3, you're gonna notice those 2 other ad creatives are probably not gonna get any spend. So this is just what I've noticed in my experience of spending, several thousands of dollars on TikTok's platform. So just go ahead, test out these 3 ad creatives. As I was saying, it gives TikTok the option to pick which creative they think will perform the best given your target audience and the users on their platform. And also, TikTok knows best, guys. They have an algorithm built out specifically to cater to your needs. So if you need conversions, they'll get you conversions. If you need traffic, they'll get you traffic. If you need leads, they'll get you leads. So split test these things, check out all these solutions, and let me know in the comment section down below what solution worked for you and exactly what you guys have been struggling with in terms of your TikTok ads not spending any budget. So that's annoying. Anyways, with that being said, guys, this is gonna bring us to the end of the video. So I hope this helped everybody out there who's struggling with their TikTok ads not spending. TikTok's been bugging a lot lately. They're making a whole bunch of new updates to their platform. So just, test a bunch of different things and continuously try to update and optimize your TikTok ad strategies for the best performance on their platform. But with all that being said, as always, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.